Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.5980, as you can see looking at this particular trend. Okay, what we have seen, overall trend is down if you look at from the month of June, okay, and the first week of June. But overall trend, if you look at, there is a continuous upside. You have to keep it and keep a note of it that whenever it comes in a zone of 2, this will be the zone. So you have to understand when the price comes below a level of 2.1, it will move in the zone of around 1.6 to a level of 1.2, $2, $2.1. Okay, because similar pattern we have seen in this particular zone also. What was happening at this particular zone, that whenever it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for a quite some time, as soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen a level of 3.5 and then to a level of 3.6. Okay, similarly we have seen in this particular trend a level of around 3.1 and a level of around 3.2. They are very close. You can see this is also very close. Now if you are new, you have to understand how the price of natural gas has moved. See, natural gas after pandemic, it was continuously on a higher side, and whenever it was making a new high, a fall is coming. Okay, so you have to understand this. So when the price, now it is trading in a different zone. So this is at this level, it could have made a new high, but a war situation has come, that is where it came down. Now it is trying to go higher, but it didn't sustain because, and I've categorically told you in my Telegram channel, when the price was around 2.8, that it will touch it can touch a level of 3.2, and it has touched a level of $3.198 around. Okay, because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Looking at the dollar index, you have to understand that dollar index is trying to go higher. Okay, so if the price keep moving above this level, we can see a level of $105.9, and if the price moving above this particular level, a probability of touching 106.2 also we can see. Okay, why dollar is playing an important role, because see, when the dollar index started going upside, we can see natural gas price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going higher, we can see the natural gas price will come down. They are inversely related. Okay, but some of the factor I'm telling you, because previously around 2-3 days back, what we have seen, both are moving in the same direction. So in order to reduce that uncertainty, try to set the SL and try to trail your SL. If you are doing these two things, you will save the profit also and capital also. Now if the price sustain above a level of around $105.9, it can cross a level of 106.2 and then a level of 106.5 and then further high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come again towards a level of 105.4 and then to a level of 105 and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, these are the two levels we have seen. Okay, now if it comes down, we can see the natural gas price will come up. Okay, but the dollar line started going higher, and the clear pattern is also forming upside. Okay, so we can see the natural gas price can come down. So suppose the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of 2.57. If it started moving below this level, we can see a level of $2.5150. Suppose if the price falling below that particular zone, it can come down towards $2.45, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.36. Okay, if the price falling below a level of 2.36, a further downfall towards a level of 2.16 we can see, and from there a level of around $2.05. Keeping that in mind, that as soon as the price started going below a level of 2.05, a further downfall we can see, and once started falling below this level, a fall towards a level of 1.87 we can see, and then a further low. Okay, but as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, and these are the resistance and support, so you have to understand at these levels a profit booking comes. Okay, so or a bounce back come, or it moves upside, so you have to put the SL or take your profit at these levels, or you can book half of the profit. So if suppose it form a swing, what we can see, suppose it form a swing, we can see it can go towards $2.63, and from there a further upside towards 2.69. Once the price started going above this level, probability of going towards 2.84 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 2.92. Suppose if the price sustaining above that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.99 we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 3.14. And once the price started going above this level, we can see a level of $3.18. Okay, and this is the high of this zone, so probability of going towards 3.38 we can see, and then it can make a new high towards 3.5. And suppose if the price sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.